to change your coil packs on a 2004 to 2008 TSX. You want to start with a 10mm socket wrench and take off these 10mm bolts from your wire cover. Remove the wire cover to expose the coil packs. And then you go on to remove these two 10mm to loosen up the coil packs for cylinders 1 and 3. What you want to do is you want to loosen the harnesses by holding this down and sliding these harnesses off the coil packs. Once it's all loosened up, all you need to do is pull up the coil packs and change them out. For replacements, I went with the NGK brand, only because they make OEM quality coils and plugs, and they're made in Japan. So these are my old coils, and these are my new NGK ones. When you do buy these NGK coil packs, just make sure you buy from a reputable source, because there are a lot of fake ones out there floating around. And when you do open the packaging, just make sure they're factory sealed, because if the price is too good to be true, then it probably is too good to be true. Before reinstalling your coil packs, check inside your cylinders, make sure your spark plugs don't have any signs of corrosion, leakage, rusting, anything like that. If so, change out your plugs and change out your seals if necessary. Take your coil pack, slide it back in. I like to start with cylinder 1, make sure it's nice and tight. And connect the harnesses back in. I like to start with 1 because it's easier to go left to right. All plugged back in. Go ahead and plug in the harnesses and put the wire cover back on, and your 10mm bolts should be good to go.